Good afternoon. I am Gurudutta Pani from PMC Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Bhubaneswar, going to present an idea on Vikshit Bharat Buildathon. Our topic is Vocal for Local, and our idea is the local shop smart crowd meter. And my team members are Suvasis Prasad Sahu
Namaste.
and Sanurag Samant Singhal.
Namaste.
So let's start. Topics to be covered: the problem of the people, the solution of the problem, how the system works, societal value and theme alignment, things needed, how to make the model, picture of the model, model in use image. Problems of people: small local business, example vegetable vendors, local kirana stores, small market stalls often struggle with crowd management and maintaining safety distance, especially in congested areas or during specific hours. Customers feel unsafe due to crowding and may walk away, resulting in lost revenue for the local merchant. The lack of an affordable crowd monitoring system is a major barrier. Solution for this problem: a simple low cost device using an Arduino and an ultrasonic sensor to provide real time crowd density feedback to both the shop owner and the customers. This promotes safety and supports local business resilience.
How the system works. Entrance or exit counter. A single ultrasonic bracket HC SR04 bracket close is mounted at the entrance of the shop. Direction logic. The Arduino code is designed to direct an object people passing through the sensor's range by analyzing the sequence of the trigger and the echo signal's timing. The code determines if the person is entering count bracket count plus one bracket close or exiting bracket count minus one bracket close. Visual feedback. A simple 16 or times 2 LCD or series of LEDs placed outside the shop displays the current count, current crowd 3. Wait, green, safe to enter. R, wait, red, limit reached. Safety threshold. The shop owner can set a maximum capacity limit, example 5 people. When the count exceeds these limits, a red light lights up and a small buzzer gives an alert to the shop owner, signaling that no more customer should enter until the count drops.
Societal value and theme alignment. Vocal for local. This solution is built for local shopkeepers. It is significantly cheaper than commercial systems, making it accessible to small scale vendors, helping them stay safe and competitive. This directly supports the growth and resilience of the local economy. Safety and trust. By protectively managing crowd density, the system helps maintain social distancing, making the local shop a trusted and safe place to shop, thus retaining customers. Atmanirbhar Bharat. The entire device is based on simple, easily available components and open source Arduino code, promoting a culture of self reliance in technological solutions. Things needed: component Arduino, Uno, or Nano. Purpose: the microcontroller and brain of the project. Component: HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor. Purpose: uh, used to measure distance and detect the movement of people in or out. Component: 16 multiply by 2. LCD display bracket with 12C bracket close. Purpose: to clearly display the current count and Safety status to the customers outside bracket 12C module reduces wiring bracket close. Component red and green LEDs. Purpose to provide a quick visible traffic light safety status. Bracket green is equal to go, red is equal to wait. Bracket close. Component buzzer optional to provide an audible alert to the shopkeeper when the crowd limit is exceeded. Component power source. Purpose 9V battery or 5V power supply to run the Arduino.
How to make the model. Step 1. Hardware assembly. Bracket. Circuit diagram. The core challenge is to connect the components to the Arduino. You will need to use a breadboard for easy connection. Step 2. Software setup and code logic. You will use the Arduino IDE and need to install one library for the LCD display. One install library, you need to liquid crystal 12C library to communicate easily with the LCD display. In the Arduino IDE, go to Sketch, include library, manage library, search for liquid crystal 12C and install this one by Frank de Barbender on similar to code logic. Explain the code needs to perform two main tasks: distance measurement and counting logic. Step 3. Deployment strategy. For the hackathon demonstration, you should clearly define placement. The sensor should not be placed at the chest or hip level in a narrow doorway to ensure reliable detection of people, not just their hands or feet. Max limit. Demonstrate how easy it is to change the max limit variable in the code to suit different shop sizes. A small kiosk might be set into 2, a large kirana store for 10. Visualization. Use the red green LEDs outside the shop entrance to visual represent the vocal for local safety measure, easy for an local customer to understand. The simple low cost model is powerful, directly addressable a social problem, and perfectly suits the vocal for local theme.
Component HCSR0 for ultrasonic. Notes VCC Arduino pin connection 5B. Notes power supply for the sensor. Component GND Arduino pin connection GND. Ground notes ground connection. Trigger Arduino pin connection digital pin 9. Notes sends the ultrasonic pulse. Echo Arduino pin connection digital pin 9 receives the reflected pulse echo. 16 into 2 LCD with 12C module. Notes 12C saves many pins bracket close. Component VCC Arduino pin connection 5B. Notes power. GND Arduino pin connection GND. Notes ground. CDA SDA Arduino pin connection analog pin A4. Notes data line 12C communication. SCL Arduino pin connection analog pin A5. Notes clock line bracket 12C communication bracket close. LED light and buzzer. Notes to be activated when the crowd limit is reached. Red LED via a register. Arduino pin connection digital pin 6. Notes lights up when limit is exceed. Green LED via a register. Digital pin 7. Notes lights up when safe to enter. Buzzer. Arduino pin connection digital pin 8. Notes sound alert when the time is exceeded. Code segment function distance measurement. Use the pulse in bracket close. Function to measure the duration the echo pin stays high. The distance bracket d bracket close is calculated using the formula D equal to time into speed of sound by 2, where speed of sound equal to 240 m or s or 0.034 centimeter or us. The trick is to define two distance threshold in zone bracket very close, example 15 centimeter bracket close, and out zone bracket normal distance, example 100 centimeter bracket close. Counting an entry. The system register an entry bracket crowd count plus 1 bracket only if the sensor sees transition from out zone, in zone, out zone. Counting and exit. The system registers an exit bracket crowd count minus 1 bracket close only if the sensor sees transition from out zone, in zone, out zone. But from the opposite direction bracket, this requires the sensors to be slightly angled or placed strategically in the doorway bracket close. For simplicity, in a hackathon, one directionally sensor is often used to simply count a pass through. We will use a simple state based counter for a single sensor setup. Simple state counter. Define a boolean variable bracket person detected equal to false bracket close. When distance is very close bracket 10 centimeter bracket close and person detected is false. Increase the count set person detected equal to true and start a small delay. When distance is bracket 10 centimeter bracket close and person detected is true, decrease the count and set person detected equal to false. This simplified logic counts both entry and exit as single event, so the final count should be half the total event. Safety alert. If crowd count more than max limit, example 5, turns the red LED on and the green LED off. Otherwise, turn the green LED on alert and on and the red LED off.
So now we will look at the picture of the model. This is the picture of the model of local shop smart crowd meter. Next, we will see a image in which the model is in use in a shop, especially outside the shop. And next, we will see the model in use in the inside of shop. So thank
Thank
you.
you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.